Hello friends, good day to you all. When we speak of standard permanent exclusions in health insurance policy, there is one typical issue. That is, a person when committing breach of law with a criminal intent, right, he ends up in some medical condition. So such condition is not covered in the health insurance policy. Now, two things we have to understand: a breach of law and criminal intent. Okay, when somebody breaks law by going on the wrong side of the road or breaking the signal, and then he meets with an accident, and then definitely it will be covered by the health insurance policy. Well, let's say there is another condition, breach of law. This mobile-born gang, they go and kind of snatch chain, gold chain from ladies walking along the road. Now this fellow falls from the bike at the time of committing the crime, and then gets into a medical condition. In such circumstances, it is not covered under the health insurance policy, because the condition has arisen out of breach of law with criminal intent. So it is not covered under the health insurance policy as standard permanent exclusion.